𝐂𝐿𝐴, and today I'm going to be installing this wig from QVR Hair. I'll link all the specs on the hair down in the description bar below. But this was I believe 9x5 closure. So it's better than a frontal because you don't have to deal with those ear tabs. And I also liked how it had the grippy things on the inside of the wig. But as y'all can see, I'm on the struggle bus. So y'all, I was in Chicago and I did not have all my hair products, but I was doing what I had to do to get this wig on my head because, yeah, clearly I didn't have no blow dryer, so I'm using my baby little numbers book to dry my hair. But y'all, I made it work in the end. Not to mention, I'm literally doing my hair 30 minutes before we supposed to be leaving out to go out to dinner. So yeah, doing my cap. I already had the cap on, so yeah. So I'm working with an already used cap. Ghetto, just real ghetto, but we got it done. I put makeup on the cap, and then I cut off the extra cap, and then I went ahead and laid my glue down. Now, I only showed y'all one layer of glue on camera, but I did actually do 3 layers of glue. Now, the closure is bigger than the space that I put the glue on, but I knew I was wearing the middle part, so I didn't put a whole bunch of glue on the sides. I could have glued down the sides better, but yeah, I didn't. So now I'm just going to be laying that wig right on top of where I put that glue and adjusting as I go along. And I'm going to get my middle parts together, do my baby hair, and curl my hair.
Can you feel it, honey? Can you feel it, honey? Now you're way past that. All that bad, 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 bad. So bad, 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 bad. Can you see it, honey? Can you see it? See you past the trouble. Now you know the meaning of it all. It all. Didn't think it happened so soon, but then one afternoon you finally moved on. Letting go of all that he said and finally cared for yourself. You really moved on. And I feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it. I feel it, I feel it. Ooh. It's gonna be the ending of all that's bad. From now on, let's just leave it all in the past and look how good we are. No more bleeding, can't you see it healing? Hold on to that feeling, 'cause I know you're gonna get it right, 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 right. So right, 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 right. Didn't need it, now you didn't need it. Didn't even feel it. Told me like 100 times out loud, 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 loud. Making me proud, 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 proud. 7 days a week, 7 days a week. You've been ill for too long. 7 days a week, 7 days a week. But now you moved on. And I feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it. I feel it, I feel it. Ooh. It's gonna be the ending of all that's bad. From now on, let's just leave it all in the past and look how good we are. gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like the motherfucking man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home.
Okay, y'all, so at this point I'm literally in the car finishing my hair, combing out my baby hair on the way to the restaurant. But it came out super cute. I'm pissed off that I didn't have no eyelashes because that really made me look crazy, but it's okay. It came out real cute. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what videos y'all want to see next. Thank you for watching. Bye.
You let me put it down. When I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never